Whoa.
Silent. Well, I'm vibing. Yeah. It's island. Boy. Boy.
Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the Island Boy Africa channel. Yesterday. So guys, right now I'm currently on Navy Island. Yeah man, I roll out another video right about now. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be a random fishing video, trying to catch a jack, a barracuda or something. Yeah man, and not just that guys. Babe said to me it's full-time upgrade in the fishing. So she sent me some money yesterday and said, you know what, babe, buy yourself a fishing rod. You know, upgrade from the online fishing. Nothing is wrong with that, but you know, make a little change, you know. So yeah guys, I don't fully know about a fishing rod yet, so I'm still learning. Yeah man, but today I'm gonna actually test that out and see if I can catch something on it. Yeah man, and you guys gonna be able to see that as well, so stay tuned for that guys. Yeah man, and also I'm just gonna roll in the clips from yesterday when I bought the fishing rod and then start the adventure after that. So let's go now. We on a roll now. Let's go now. Yeah guys, so we at the fish place, you know. Check out the fishing rod. You know, so why cheapest one you have?
From 5 grand go.
Let me see the one for 5 grand. Because I don't really want nothing too big. Something like this. I want to hear a same.
That one's 6 grand.
6 grand. Alright, I'm just want like a bigger one. Like the one there for much.
So that's 6 grand.
I wanna.
But the thing is now,
Yeah.
you're at next level different from me.
I said then. Oh.
So you have to be able to stick different and then read different.
Yeah. And the one there for much.
They're rather, the reader,
Yeah, the entire thing.
the entire thing is like 10,000 now, 8,000.
10.
We have real long or something for 4 grand. The small one there. We have some bigger one too as well.
Yeah.
So I buy the size there. It's because I use already.
Yeah.
Buy the size and the condition we sell there.
Alright, might work with that one.
Yes.
Might work with that one there. Yeah man, so hey guys, I'm gonna take that one here. Yeah man. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show out the liner now. See if I can catch some bait. Probably won't be able to see the fishes because they're really small. But hopefully they will pick up. Alright guys, I think one of them have my liner now. Ooh. Yes guys. Oops. Caught one of them. Caught another one again, right size. Take you up now. Shots there guys are going like, alright, I'm taking it. Swallow it. Come on, swallow it. Nice. Another one guys, the third one. So because the water is glassy right now, I just stand up on the kayak, see if I can find any conch. This is something I used to do, guys, like before I had a camera. So I used to find conch without have to snorkel. So you stand up and look. Because the water is pretty shallow, so if you see them, you can just jump off and just get them. So this is a queen conch shell, guys. Nothing in it. Sometimes people use these as decoration. This one is pretty old. So you see right at this little spot right here, guys, where that little yellow jug is. It's a very popular spot. If you ever come to Sunshine Beach, which is right down there, they usually will take you on a boat trip and come right here. You know, like some years ago, this used to be like more sand and grass, but now the grass is taking all over. So we call right at this spot Sandbank, you know, right close to Navy Island as well. So yeah, it's a popular spot. I took baby here once as well. So yeah, man, just a little info there. So this is the fishing rod, guys. Yeah, nice look one, you know. So gonna try it out. I can't wait, guys, I swear. Yeah, and oh my god, I'm excited. And yeah, these are the baits that I caught, which you guys seen earlier. So we call these, I don't know the right name for them, but we call them shad, you know. So yeah, man, nice for towing, which otherwise known as trawling. So yeah, man, let's see if we can catch something. I use a small one here. These are the right size, what I really want, but catch them bigger one here, I'm gonna use them as well. So hopefully catch something, guys. And yeah, it's a beautiful morning, as you guys can see. Try to focus this. Yeah, man, that's mainland, guys. I'm gonna pin on the bait and make a test throw. So the bait is on now, guys. So this is gonna be my first cast with a fishing rod. Let's see if I do good. I don't even know how this thing works. Hold on. What's going on here? Hold on, something is not happening. No, it's not reeling. Oh, I think it's this. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's that. Oh my god. Alright. So if you throw it, I think I have to release it like that. What the hell? Nope. Guys, you all must be laughing right now. I'm trying to get the hang of this. So when you throw it, alright, how does this thing work? No, it doesn't. Should I make it a bit looser? You guys gonna have to comment in. You guys gonna have to let me know in the comment section how to do this. Alright, tighten this up a bit, I think. I don't know what I'm doing here, guys, I swear. I'm to throw it, pull this like this. Okay. Nope, doesn't work. Nope. Still doesn't work. I'm gonna have to work on my casting, I swear. think that's the word, if I'm correct. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, I'm not getting it fully yet. So I'm just gonna troll on my kayak and see if I can catch something. So let's do that. Look at this little saucer fish, guys. Just relaxing. Right here. I'm gonna try to troll with it like this. Hopefully it works. There's like a little hole right there. It doesn't fit very well though, but I'm gonna hopefully try to paddle with it like that. Shit. Guys, I just got a bite a while ago and I don't know what happened. I think he's still on. I think he's... Hold on a minute. Okay. Fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. Alright. This could be my first fish. Okay. Alright. Alright, guys. Woo. Whoa. Whoa. This could be my first fish, guys. Oh, Jesus. Alright, alright. Come here slowly. Oh, how do I do this thing again? I don't even know. Alright, first long jaw hand. First long jaw hand. Woo! Woo! And if this camera is even recording. Oh, it is. But Jesus. It happened, guys. Even my beanie fall off my head. Oh my God. Caught my first fish, guys. Yo! In fact. Anjaya, what? But Jesus. Yeah. Broke my ducks. First fish on the rod. Second bite. Yeah, guys. I'm excited. Yo! Nice one, guys. Look at that. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna try to get this hook out of his mouth. Woo, I'm excited, I swear. Wow, this is huge. What? He's not dead yet, you know. I'm gonna kill him. Yeah, guys. Nice. Fat, you know, them lion. What am I saying, man? Them long jaw up on the reef, guys. Them fat. Yeah, it's been a while since I catch a big one like this. Woo! Alright, so let's put him to rest, guys. And start again. Oh guys, I just turned over off the kayak. I think you guys saw that. Oh my goodness, I don't even know this happened. This kayak sometime, because it's leaking guys, the more water go in it, it gets unbalanced. So yeah, still gonna have to try get this kayak patch, because that's my biggest problem with it. I can't stay out in the water very long with it. So yeah guys, crazy morning already man. Alright, so this one now guys, I'm gonna cut it like this because it's very huge. This one is big in terms of using all of it to catch. Like the long jaw them, it's really big. So get off piece side, flesh, like that. Yeah, and this is gonna be my bait. So let's see if we can get another hook up. Alright. So guys, see a bunch of long jaw jump in front of me a while ago, so might in for another bite soon. So let's see. Ooh, ooh, bite is on. Oh shoot, my drag, I think it's my drag. I think that's what it's called. Jeez. Oh, he's still on guys. Oh no, it seems like he's gone now. Jesus. Now I'm definitely the same way. Woo, fish on guys. Oops, let me get one now. No, you take it back. Oh man, how are you going? What? Oh, Jesus guys, you steal the bait. And now him cut up the line because them are very sharp teeth guys. Oh my god. I'm gonna rig up the line again guys. Jesus. You guys probably can't see it clearly, but I have to double the line when I'm doing this because them teeth very sharp, and sometimes if you use like the Gilgian wire, they probably won't bite as fast. You know, so when you use a natural line they pick up more faster. So shoot, it's giving me trouble. Alright. I'm excited though guys, I swear, like actually using this rod gives a different feel of, you know, to just angle the fish them and thing. It just, yeah, it's very exciting, I'm not gonna lie. Quickly gonna line up this because I'm gonna have to go on the island real soon guys, because this kayak is getting unbalanced. Yeah, so that's my biggest downfall right now, the kayak. You know, it's leaking bad. Yeah, so I can't really stay out here long, man. That sucks. Update, I can't run any more line right now. Seems like the kayak is leaking faster than I expect, you know. Yeah, and it's getting really unbalanced. So at the moment I like a rock to the side a little bit, feel like it's going to turn over. So I have to reach my Navy Island as fast as possible right now. Oh man. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna try catch anymore. I'll just work with this one fish. And yeah, that's it guys. It's really awesome right now. Trying to do this. Last time when I came with it, it was leaking just the same, but it seems like this time now, I don't know, but it seems like it's leaking more fast. So, yeah. I bought this kayak second hand if you guys don't know. So that's why I'm having this problem. And I don't know anyone that patch these things. If it's plastic, it can be patched, but probably there's something I'm gonna have to order online. If you guys know the name of it, let me know. Thank you. Oh god. Oh, I'm reaching, guys. Oh god, man. Turn over upon the reef, kayak a leak. What's an eventful day? What an eventful day. Now this is gonna be one hell of a thing to leak out. The last time it was me and NJ that leaked it out. And we were both struggling to lift it up. So, no, it's definitely not gonna be an easy one. Can't lift it up like that. Turn it on the side. Oh no, it's not gonna work. How am I gonna do this? I don't know. Yeah, that's the water, guys. Jesus. I'm finished. Oh my god. Oh god. Wow, guys. This is crazy, man. This is real crazy. Oh my god. Whew. I need to do something about this kayak. Doing this is not gonna be much fun anymore, I swear. Just for the fun of it, decided I'm gonna go out one more time and see if I can get something. Yeah man, so leave the bucket this time. I bring just 2 pieces of fish basically. So yeah, let's see if I can find something else. Let's go now. Alright, so time to cast again, guys. I need to get the hang of this casting thing though. But for now, it's have to work down here. I have to go up here. Sadly, probably need some more length at the back. I think there's fish on, guys. I think there's fish on. Oh, shit. What am I doing, man? I'm trying to get the hang of this thing again, guys. Woo! Okay. He's on. Okay. Alright. Come here. Alright, come here. Woo! Woo! Yeah, guys. Woo. Whoa, 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 whoa. Take it easy, boy. Take it easy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my God. Guys, you see that? He come right off of the hook and drop on the kayak. Oh my goodness. Am I really that lucky? What? Gonna have to put him out of his misery quick. A knife. Fish is on again, guys. Fish is on again. Fish is on. Alright, let it go. Oh, that was a big run out a while ago, guys. I swear. Should have seen that. Can't believe it. Son. What? Jesus. Oh no, I think my line is about to get nut. What the hell is going on here? Come on, come on. Don't get nut on my line. I'm very slow at this right now, guys, so please bear with me. He's still on though. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on here? What's going on? Jesus. What the hell is going on? Oh, shoot. Shit. My line got tangled, guys. How did this happen, man? Alright, let me try bringing this fish. He's still on, guys. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Come here, boy. Come here. Whoa. You can get where? Oh my God. That was a huge one too. Oh, Jesus. No. Oh. Jesus, guys. That was crazy. That was fun though. I'm still learning to use this rod, I swear. But I'm gonna settle with that for now, guys. Yeah. 2 fish is enough. So yeah, man, let's go on the island and yeah, have a feast. Let's go now. Make it back now, guys. Woo. Woo. Jimbo. Say Jimbo, you catch go on. Oh, you catch go on. No, me I say, how the catch go on. The catch, me I say, how the catch go on. Go on good. Doctor fish and parrot. Yeah, so long. A 2 long job, I go look. And there's 2 of them. A 2 of them I catch.
Well, I said that in a bad dead, man.
Yeah.
If I'm opinion, you say have it.
Makes sense.
I shoot, man.
Yeah, man. So much water, guys. So these are the 2 I caught, guys. So nice one. Yeah, man, I want to get to a while ago. Probably big like this one, swear. Yeah, man. What? So one away like about almost 3 pounds, I swear. Fat. So I'm just gonna scale them up, you know. And then go look some stick and start a fire. So let's go now. Now it's time to look some stick. See my people roast fish here. It's a grill. And you can see the ashes on the fire sticks. So. Alright, so the fire is on its way now, guys. Don't really need a high fire for roast the fish. So I'm gonna make them here burn down to coal. Yeah, man. So guys, I'm gonna try something for the very first time. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to fillet this fish. Yeah, so yeah, tell me how I do on this one. First time I try them something here, guys. You know, so cut from down here. Well, this fish look like him easy to fillet. You have to have sharp knife for them thing. I'm just trying to get the meat off both sides. I think I've wasted the meat here, guys. Jesus. Alright. That's one side of him. Okay. Alright, let me try to do this one smoother. Cut from the edge. So as you guys can see, they have a blue bone, blue looking color. Oops. I'm getting this one all wrong. And I'm not even ashamed to show it on camera because what? It's my first time. Oh my god. Alright, so that's 2 slabs of needlefish. I think that's the correct name, but we call them long jaw in Jamaica. So, and this is the bone. Yeah. Alright. Small fish will feed on that. Alright, so I have my fish here now, guys. So yeah, don't mind how I slab them look. Yeah, barely cut them because I don't want to cut my kayak, make it any worse. So I'm just gonna roast the small one because it's too much meat for me right now to do both of them. So I'll bring home the big one. Yeah. Alright, so I have a Maggie jerk and a Maggie fish season, so I'm gonna mix both of them together. Right. So my GoPro just died on me, so yeah, the fire gone down to coal now. Make it burn out a little bit more still before I put on the fish. So the fish now in the bag here, guys, with the seasoning. Yes, and look what else I brought with me, guys. Sweet potato. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna roast them here in the fire as well, guys. Yeah. Drop them in that. everything gone down to coal, you know, so drop on my fish. Just some little slice. So this is how them look so far, guys. Yeah man, smell good too. So this is the potato. You know what I mean? Nice. Yeah guys, and fish here. Put a few pieces on here. Alright. Woo! See them here look crispy, guys, like them fry. Yo. Alright guys. Try the potato. Piece are looking nice. Potato is soft and sweet. These are the fish. Long jaw. Yeah man. Hot same way. Nice. Guys, you almost taste like a fried fry, I swear. You have some crispy part and you have some soft part, which is juicy. Amazing, man. So, fishing rod really work, you know. Just really need to get hang of it right now, but can't say that it really work, you know. Caught 2 fish, and like what, the last one that got away was pretty huge as well. But I'll figure it out in due time. My biggest problem right now is just the kayak with it leaking, you know. So yeah, I just need to get that patch so I can stay on the ocean longer than, you know. Yeah, so need to get that sorted out. But overall, still, it's been a great day. Yeah, it's been a while since I come out here, so yeah, it was worth it. And also thank you, babe, for that fishing rod. Yeah, cause it's gonna be a game changer from now on. Yeah, man. Why not go modern, you know? Cause it's what's running the world right now, so yeah, man. Just I go home after me done eat them here and just go chill. I can just sit down right here, so, and I look at mainland. Yeah man, so it's really a chill vibe, you know. Need that moment alone for myself sometime. Yeah man. Sometimes being far away from people, you just all a different meds. You know the sun right here, guys, it actually goes way back. It's just because all of these bush just grow over. That's why it looks like it's the sun just right here, but the sun actually go way back more. So this is the one I may bring home, guys. As you can see, I cut off the beak. Yeah man. See? Clean them up already, scale everything. Alright guys, so pack up back my stuff them now. So it's time to head home. Yeah. So this is where I'm gonna end the vlog, guys. This is where I'm gonna end the vlog, guys. So I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Yeah man. And if you're also new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe And also go check out my family channel, you see me? So yeah man, that's where you'll find videos of me and my wife and my son. Yeah man, so until next time guys, stay tuned, stay blessed, stay safe, stay positive. Yeah man, bless up.